Hey there, this is Steve from STO N SHO. We're out here at the Chevy Cadillac dealership, and today we're filming the Cadillac CT5. This is a 2025, and I think this particular bracket goes all the way back to at least 21, and it will fit the the basic CT5 and the CT5V. It won't fit the Blackwing, but it'll fit the CT5 and V. It's going to be a lower center mount, 2 factory screws, so that's nice. And this is a pretty straightforward installation, but we're going to go ahead and show you how we put this thing on. And I'll go ahead and turn it over to Mike.
Hey, thanks, Steve. Like Steve said, this has factory fasteners. We're actually going to take these fasteners out. We're going to put them right back in. These are T18 Torx. There's 2. So we're just going to spin these out. And then, like I said, we're going to be putting these right back in. We always like to, whenever possible, use the factory fasteners, providing they're long enough and we don't, just because it matches. This is a 4.2 by probably 20. Looks like it's a 1.41 thread pitch. So it is pretty much a standard fastener. Screw right back through the base plate, right in. Same with this. This is a pretty fast install. Should take you about 5 minutes. Now, this is another one that's really important. Start both sides like you saw me do. Don't put one in, tighten it up, because as you can see, there's a little slight arc here, and if you tighten this one up, then it's going to pull this back and it's going to make it a nightmare. As long as you start both sides like I just showed you, it'll be no problem. And then I just like to work them up, and these are going into a metal J-clip, so don't be afraid to tighten them down. You should be able to snug them up pretty good. And as you can see, nice and solid. Screws are tight. Then you just take your front plate, start it in, it hits the pull pin, slide it until it locks into place, and you're done.
Yeah, and make sure for maintenance to lubricate the pull pin, and if you go through a car wash, automated car wash, make sure you remove that front plate with your license plate, because it can get damaged. And there's what it looks like straight on, and your license plate will go over the front. And again, this is the S&S 278, and it fits the Cadillac, the CT5 and the CT5V. It will not. This is bolt pattern's different for the Blackwing. So
yeah, this is a luxury in the sport.
Yeah, so there you go, and you're done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.